Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create your KakaoTalk account without a phone number. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So all you need to do is tap on the sign up button and then make sure that you tap on I agree to all terms and tap on continue. Once you've done so, it is going to ask you for your phone number, as you can see on the mobile. But what you want to do is simply go to a browser and then you want to search for KakaoTalk. Just like that. And then from here, you want to simply go into their website, which is going to be kakaocorp.com. And from here, you want to simply go ahead and sign up. If you don't find the sign up link, you can simply go ahead and search for KakaoTalk and then sign up. Finally, tap on the first tab right over here and then go to account and support and go inside of Kakao account. Finally, once you're here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on sign up on the bottom of your screen and tap on I have an email account. Agree to all terms. And now simply go ahead and enter your email, click on next, and then they're going to be sending you a verification code to your email. So let me just go ahead and do it for you guys. And then tap on next. First, you need to simply request a verification. They're going to send you a 8-digit code to your Gmail. So simply go ahead and check your Gmail. In my case, it is already sent, and the code, I'm going to simply go ahead and enter it right where it is supposed to. And then simply tap on next. Once you've done so, it will let you create a password. Simply go ahead and do so and tap on next. Once you've done that, enter your nickname. It could be anything. I'm just going to go ahead and enter my name. Enter your birth date as well. Choose your gender and click on confirm. Once you've done so, simply go ahead and click on get started. And now you'll have to simply go ahead and skip the part where it asks you for your number. As you can see, your account is created. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.